Hey everyone, welcome to the show. So, Trump Organization Chief Financial Officer Alan Weisselberg testified that it was his decision and his decision alone to not pay taxes on the perks that he received from the Trump Organization. Of course, the right is seizing on this as evidence that their apricot antichrist is innocent. But they're conflating two very distinct ideas, and they clearly don't understand what the liability and responsibility that employers have in regard to these 1099 payments and tax reporting. I've been both an employee and an employer over the years, and the vast majority of my working life, I've received income through a 1099. So, yes, Weisselberg chose not to report those perks as income, but neither did the Trump Organization. So, yeah, Weisselberg made his own decision to skirt his portion of the taxes. So did the Trump Organization. And most importantly, as a paycheck salaried employee, Weisselberg was not eligible to receive a 1099 or 1099 income. And when asked on cross-examination, quote, "Did you know the Trump Payroll Corporation was falsifying your W-2s?" Weisselberg replied, quote, "I knew my payroll reporting was incorrect. Yes." It's called Trump Payroll Corporation, not the Weisselberg Payroll Corporation. So unless Trump is willing to concede that he's just a moron who doesn't know how to run a company, or he's just a puppet or a figurehead who doesn't hold any real power in his own eponymous company, he knew what was going on. And that's clearly the case because Weisselberg also testified under oath that one day in 2012, he was in Trump's office and Donald Trump Jr. walked in to get his father's signatures on some checks. Those checks were for private tuition payments for Weisselberg's grandchildren. So Trump is signing the checks. And Weisselberg told the jury that Trump kind of chuckled and he said to him, quote, "I may as well pay for your grandkids too." And after Trump took office in 2017 and the company stopped paying for Weisselberg's rent and his car leases, his school tuition, all these other things, Weisselberg asked for and received a $200,000 yearly raise. In his final day of testimony, Weisselberg said under oath that both Eric and Don Jr. knew that he had not been reporting those perks as taxable income. And Weisselberg said that he explained to Eric, quote, "Since the practice was no longer going on, I would need some additional income to pay for those expenses." And let's not forget, Don the Con already admitted out loud in public that he was aware of these special perks that Weisselberg was receiving. And it was also just revealed that over $500,000 worth of Trump Organization legal bills were recently paid by Trump's Save America PAC and the Republican National Committee. Those payments were just made within the last 2 months. This is in relation to this tax fraud case. And according to CBS News, the RNC has made a total of 5 payments this year to a law firm that's representing the Trump Organization in this trial. Those 5 payments totaled nearly $900,000. So instead of spending $1 million on candidates, working to get their crappy candidates elected, they're spending it on Trump's legal bills. How is this even legal? And why are they wasting $1 million on a loser who backed losers and literally cost them the Senate, governor seats, and Secretary of State races? Sure sounds like a bad investment to me. Terrible returns. Anywho, this trial is basically wrapping up. I mean, the prosecution already rested their case yesterday, Monday, November 21st. So likely the jury won't get the case until after Thanksgiving, but it's going faster than they anticipated. So early Christmas present for all of us, maybe. Anyway, I'll let you guys know when I hear more. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Please like, share, subscribe. Please tell a friend, tell a family member over the holiday. If you can donate, it means the world to me. Thank you so much. Take care, and I'll talk with you soon.